Good morning. Welcome back to Max. Today we are going to see one problem, Ioqm problem from functions on. This model is very important. It is intermediate level. So here let f maps R to R be a function satisfying the relation 4 f of 3 minus x plus 3 of f of x equal to x square for any real x. Find the value of f of 27 minus f of 25. So how to solve this problem? Okay, actually this is easy only if you know the conditions how to solve this. So here first of all we have to know the functions or functional equations. So here f maps R to R. Okay, the condition is given 4 f of 3 minus x plus 3 f of x is equal to x square. Now you have to find the value of f of 27 minus f of 25. So here in these problems, so here it is nothing but to solve the values of, you have to find f of x value. Once you get this f of x value, we can find f of 27 and f of 25 and you will get the answer. So let the given equation is equal to 1. Now what you have to do here, this is the main task. So in the place of x, replace 3 minus x. In the place of x, replace 3 minus x. This is the main logic here. Okay, so what you will get in the equation 1? 4 into f of 3 minus of 3 minus x. So here we are replacing x with 3 minus x. Here x is there, replacing with 3 minus x plus 3 into f of 3 minus x is equal to 3 minus x whole square. So here what we'll get now, 4 into f of x, 3 get cancel out, plus 3 into f of 3 minus x is equal to 3 minus x whole square. So let it be second equation. Now we have to eliminate this f of 3 minus x from 1 and 2. So the first one I am multiplying with 3 and the second one I will multiply with 4. So here what you will get now, if you multiply this with 4, 16 f of x plus 12 f of 3 minus x is equal to 4 into 3 minus x whole square. Now the first equation what will get, here I am writing 9 into f of x. First I am writing the f of x before 3 into 3, 9 plus 12 into f of 3 minus x is equal to, so here what will get 3x square. Now if you subtract both of these, here minus, here minus, here will get minus. So this 12 f of 3 minus x will get cancelled. So 16 minus 9, 7 f of x is equal to 4 into 3 minus x whole square minus 3x square. So what is f of x value? F of x value is equal to 4 into 3 minus x whole square minus 3x square whole by 7. So this is the logic how to solve this problem. First of all, function is given, f maps R to R, 4 into f of 3 minus x plus 3 into f of x equal to x square. You have to find the value of f of 27 minus f of 25. So our target is f of x. So here this is important. Replace x with 3 minus x. We are getting f of x value 4 into 3 minus x whole square minus 3x square by 7. Now we are going to the other screen now. So here so f of x value now, f of x value is 1 by 7 into 4 into 3 minus x whole square minus 3x square. Now here you have to find f of 27 minus f of 25. So here I am substituting the values. 1 by 7 into 4 into, so 3 minus 27 whole square minus 3 into 27 whole square. This whole bracket we are keeping for all now. Minus 4 into 3 minus 25 whole square. So here minus 3 into 25 whole square. Both the values I am substituting at a time. So here what will get here? If you take common, 1 by 7 into 4, here will get 24. So actually you'll get minus 24 whole square minus, here you'll get 22 whole square. So here you'll get 22 whole square taking common. So here plus 3 into 25 whole square minus 27 whole square. So these two I am taking common. So here what will get? 1 by 7 into 4 into, so 24 plus 22, a plus b into a minus b, 24 minus 22 plus 3 into 25 plus 27 into 25 minus 27. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square formula you are using. So 1 by 7 into 4 into 46 into 2, here you will get minus 3 into 52, 25 plus 27, 52 into, here you will get 2. Already I took minus here. So here 1 by 7 into 8 into 46 4 2s are 8, 8 into 46 minus 6 into 52. So here you'll get 1 by 7 into here 368 minus 312. So here 56 will get 56 by 7 you will get 8. I hope you understood this problem. So thank you for watching INMO Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INMO Olympiad.